Greetings to all, my name is Navin Yadav and I am faculty of physics at Rawat Public School. Now in today's video we will be learning about the concept of Newton's law of motion. Now very famous thing and very important thing, that is apparent weight of a object or a body in lift. Now, this expression of these concepts are helpful in writing the equations for the motion. Okay, so it is very important to understand all of them. Let's suppose we are having a lift. This is a lift in which we have placed a weighing machine. Here, this weighing machine is used to measure the weight of the person, okay, or the body which is placed over it. So let's suppose this is a body which is placed over this weighing machine, which is placed in a lift. Okay, this is a weighing machine. This is the object. Now you know that weight of the object always acts in the downward direction, and this is mg. Okay, and the normal reaction of the person will always act in the opposite direction, that is r. Okay, now these two things will not cancel out each other, as we know that in the Newton's law of motion it was stated that every action has equal and opposite reaction. But this action and reaction forces, they are acting on the different objects, so they will never cross each other, they will never cancel out each other. Okay, so we cannot cancel them. Now there are certain conditions. The first condition is when lift is not moving. In that condition, v is equals to 0 and acceleration of the object is also 0. That means lift at rest. Okay, this is the first thing. Now in this case, we can write down r is equals to mg, or in the simple way we can write down this expression as r minus mg is equals to 0. If we are going to use this concept, then this is applicable everywhere, all the time. Okay, now the second case, you can also use the expression when the object is moving with a constant velocity. So this is the case for the constant velocity as well. V is equals to constant as well. In that condition, acceleration of the object is 0. Object is moving with constant velocity. Okay. Now in the second case, when the object is moving up, that is lift is moving up, not the object. Lift is moving upside with some acceleration a. Now in this case, acceleration upwards. Now in this case we need to follow a sign convention. Here we are going to use a simple concept. The force in which acceleration, the direction in which acceleration is taking place, that force is considered as the highest force, the greatest force. Now you can see in this diagram, acceleration is taking place in the direction of r. So we can take r as maximum and opposite force will be subtracted from this r. Here the opposite force is mg. So we are going to subtract mg and this is equals to ma. So this is the method of writing any expression for this object when the lift is moving in upward direction. Okay, on this you can simplify as r is equals to m common, this is a plus g. That means apparent weight of the object will be more as compared to the original weight of the person. Okay, now in the third case, when acceleration is going down. Okay, even we can expand this second case as well. when the acceleration of the object is equals to acceleration due to gravity. In that condition, if your A becomes equals to G, that time R is equals to twice of mg. That means original apparent weight of the person is twice of the original weight of the person. Weight of the object will increase, apparent weight of the object will increase. Now the third case, when the acceleration is taking place, the object is moving downside and that lift is moving downside, that means acceleration is downwards. Acceleration is downwards. In that condition, which force will be maximum? Mg. So here Mg, opposite force, that is R, is equals to acceleration due to gravity, Ma and mass. That is the expression we can say that it is mg, take out m common, that is g minus a. Here the mass of the object, apparent mass of the object will be less as compared to original weight of the apparent weight of the object, not mass. Apparent weight of the object is less than the original weight of the object. Now in this condition, if acceleration is equals to acceleration due to gravity, now what will happen? In that condition, R of the object is equals to 0. That means object is under free fall condition, that is weightlessness condition can be achieved if this lift is moving downwards with an acceleration due to gravity. Okay, so in this way we can write down the expressions for object which is placed in lift. Apparent weight we can find out. Okay, so in the next videos we will be learning how to draw the free body diagrams of an object. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.